Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the super convenient process of depositing checks directly into your Cash App account. Forget those trips to the bank. This can all be done from the comfort of your own home. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to make sure you're eligible to deposit checks with Cash App. This feature isn't available to everyone immediately. Usually, Cash App rolls it out to users who have been actively using the app for a while, so make sure you've been sending and receiving money regularly. To check if you have the mobile check deposit option, open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon, which is usually in the top right corner. Then, scroll down and look for a check deposit option. If you see it, great, you're ready to roll. If you don't see it yet, keep using Cash App, and it should hopefully appear soon. Assuming you've got the feature enabled, let's get to the actual deposit. Tap the check deposit option that you found earlier. Cash App will then likely ask you to grant permission to access your phone's camera, which is necessary to photograph the check. Go ahead and allow that access. Next, you'll need to endorse the back of your check. This is just like endorsing it for a regular bank deposit. Sign your name clearly on the endorsement line and write, "For mobile deposit only," underneath your signature. This helps prevent someone else from trying to cash the same check. Now for the important part, taking pictures of the check. Cash App will guide you through this process, but it's crucial to get good, clear photos. Place the check on a dark, flat surface with good lighting. Make sure all four corners of the check are visible in the frame. First, you'll be prompted to photograph the front of the check. Hold your phone steady and let Cash App automatically focus and take the picture. Then, you'll repeat the process for the back of the check, making sure your endorsement is clearly visible. If the image is blurry or doesn't capture the whole check, Cash App will usually prompt you to retake it. After you've successfully captured both images, you'll be asked to enter the check amount. Be absolutely certain you enter the correct amount. Mistakes here can cause delays or even rejection of the deposit. Double-check the amount against the written amount on the check itself. Once you've entered the amount, confirm everything looks correct, and then tap the Confirm or Submit button, whatever wording Cash App uses. Cash App will then review your deposit. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days, depending on the amount of the check, your account history, and other factors. You'll usually receive a notification in the app and via email when the deposit is approved and the funds are available in your Cash App balance. That's all there is to it. It's a pretty straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.